Ethereum may be in big trouble with a large part of its supply, and Sam Bankman-Fried appears in court. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Continuing with 2022's trend, there is a lack of positive excitement in the crypto market. While Bitcoin and altcoins have remained stagnant to start 2023, there could be a few reasons why volatility could spike in January. Cameron Winklevoss, the co-founder of Gemini, posted an open letter to digital currency group founder Barry Silbert demanding answers on the $900 million in locked customer funds. The financial strain the large Gemini hold could place on DCG is significant because they may be forced to sell sizable Grayscale Bitcoin and Ethereum positions along with other positions in the Grayscale Trust. The DCG and Gemini drama comes during a period in the market when sentiment is down. Such a high level of fear is even more significant during periods of low liquidity. Also, some analysts believe the January 12th United States CPI report will show a spike in inflation. If this is the case, the Federal Reserve may continue to raise interest rates, which has caused crypto's market cap to decline in the past. With the possibility of further interest rate hikes combined with the current market sentiment, potential bankruptcy of DCG, and the decreased market liquidity, the crypto market could react with another drop to the downside. Former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried has pled not guilty to all criminal charges he is facing related to the collapse of the crypto exchange, including wire fraud, securities fraud, and violations of campaign finance laws. The prosecutors in the case against former FTX executive reportedly said her team is intending to provide Sam Bankman-Fried's lawyers with documents of evidence within the next 2 weeks, with an anticipation of a 4-week trial, which court record shows are scheduled for October 2nd. The former FTX CEO had been under house arrest in his parents' home in California since December 22nd, but returned to New York for the plea hearing. At the same hearing, the judge granted a request from Sam Bankman-Fried's legal team to redact identifying information on individuals acting as co-signers for his $250 million bond. Bankman-Fried's parents have reportedly been the target of intense media scrutiny, harassment, and threats since posting his bail in December. White House records recently made public have revealed that FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried met with senior Biden administration officials in the White House on 4 occasions over the course of 2022, including a just-disclosed visit on September 9th. When pressed on the subject during a press conference on Tuesday, White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre insisted that all meetings between the White House officials and the fallen crypto mogul focused primarily on Bankman-Fried's nonprofit pandemic preparedness initiatives. She also stated that the conversations may have also pertained to general information regarding cryptocurrency industry and crypto exchanges. She said the White House regularly engages with officials from a range of industries and sectors, including leaders in business and labor and nonprofits. Bankman-Fried met on multiple occasions with Steve Ricchetti and Bruce Reed, 2 of President Biden's senior-most advisors. In the early fall, at the time of Bankman-Fried's final visit to the White House, the then billionaire was lobbying lawmakers to pass the Digital Commodities Consumer Protection Act, a framework for crypto regulation that, while potentially devastating for some sectors of crypto industry, would have treated centralized exchanges like FTX much more favorably. In the wake of FTX's abrupt demise and Bankman-Fried's arrest in December for 8 criminal charges, the bill has since been put on hold. Press Secretary Jean-Pierre also refused to comment regarding whether the president will return any donations made by Bankman-Fried or thinks any other Democratic politicians should. The Grayscale Ethereum Trust is trading at a nearly 60% discount to the underlying value of its assets, with shares falling 93% from its June 2019 all-time high. There are many reasons behind the ongoing decline, but in recent weeks, fears have grown that the fallout from parent company Digital Currency Group's debt of approximately $1.675 billion to troubled crypto lender Genesis could impact Grayscale's assets. Most of Grayscale's trust funds are trading at a discount, with Ethereum Classic Trust hitting hardest, currently at a 77% discount, followed by Litecoin trading at a 65% and Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is trading at a 45% discount. Just 2 of Grayscale's trusts are currently trading at a premium, the Filecoin Trust at 108% and the Chainlink Trust at 24%. According to Grayscale's official website, there are currently $3.7 billion worth of assets under the Grayscale Ethereum Trust pool, collected from 31 million shares. Arcane Research suggested in a January 3rd report that the significant debt that DCG and Genesis purportedly owe to Gemini could see DCG initiate a Reg M distribution, which would allow holders of Grayscale Bitcoin and Ethereum positions to redeem them for the underlying asset at a 1-to-1 ratio. This would be bad for the crypto markets, but good for the Grayscale Ethereum shares. According to Arcane, a Reg M would cause a massive arbitrage strategy of selling crypto spot versus buying Grayscale Trust shares. If this scenario plays out, the crypto markets could face further downside. According to data shared today, Ethereum stakers are mostly in the red. Only those that staked ETH at prices lower than current levels are still in the money. This equates to just 20% of all Ethereum that is staked. Additionally, the $600 price level was when the largest chunk of Ethereum was staked. This was back in December 2020 when the Beacon chain was launched. Ethereum was actually trading near $600 on launch day, 50% less than its current price. Around 80% of all Ethereum has been staked at prices equal to or higher than the $1,200 price range. But the majority of early investors were aware that they were likely making a long-term investment and that there would be a lockup period of roughly 2 years. According to data, 15.9 million ETH or 13.2% of the total supply are now held as stakes. We have multiple articles on staking Ethereum on our website, which I'll put in the recommended reading down below. Ethereum Name Service, or ENS, saw lifetime record domain registrations in 2022 amid a broader market frenzy that saw some traders treating the domains as investments. ENS is a decentralized domain name protocol that runs on top of the Ethereum network. It provides users with an easily readable name such as abc.eth instead of a complex long-form alphanumeric address for their crypto wallet. Data from Dune Analytics shows over 630,000 unique wallets created 2.82 million domain names, with 459,000 of those classified as primary names. Primary names are ENS addresses that resolve to a user's crypto wallet and can be used as a proxy to search for information on the blockchain explorers such as Etherscan. Some ENS buyers treat the domains as investments, purchasing popular and common names and selling them for profit. Research from Delphi Digital said in a July note last year that 000.eth was sold for a record 300 Ether, fueling interest in 3-digit ENS names as traders tried to capitalize on the hype. During a year plagued by crises such as the collapse of FTX and Celsius, data shows that crypto exchange Binance has emerged as the clear winner of 2022, according to Arcane Research. A January 3rd report from Arcane highlighted that Binance saw its market dominance soar throughout 2022. As of December 28th last year, it had captured 92% of the Bitcoin spot market and 61% of the Bitcoin derivatives market by volume. Binance's Bitcoin spot market dominance was 45% at the start of 2022, meaning that it more than doubled, while its shares of the Bitcoin derivatives market increased by almost 1/3. The spot trading market volume is an indicator that measures the total amount of Bitcoin being transacted on spot exchanges on any given day. The exchange also made some notable acquisitions to boost its global coverage in 2022, such as the Japanese trading platform Soccer Exchange Bitcoin and Indonesian digital currency brokerage firm Toko Crypto. Binance has been one of the few exchanges to increase the number of staff and employees over the year, while its peers such as Kraken and Coinbase have been forced to lay off staff during the current crypto winter. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.